Hello and welcome to Miami Stainless TV. Today we will be installing a green wall using the Jaw Swage Balustrade System into a concrete wall. To start your project, you'll need to mark out the locations for your screw eyes. For a straight green wall design, measure from termination point to termination point. For a zigzag design, measure from the start point across to the intermediate screw eye locations and up to the termination point. For zigzag patterns, you'll need to use eye-nut screw eyes, which provides a larger hole. Order your green wall system using these total measurements. Please note that this system requires exact measurements, so please have all fixing locations predetermined before finalising measurements. Once you have received your hydraulically swaged wires, you can begin by installing your green wall system. To install the screw eyes, drill 8mm holes and place an 8mm mungo plug into the hole and screw the screw eye in. Remove the pins from the fork terminals on your prefabricated wires and attach them to a screw eye at one end. If there are any intermediate eye-nut screw eyes, you'll be required to unscrew the wire end of the bottle screw to thread the wire through these points. Now unscrew the bottle screw so that approximately 20mm is showing on both left and right threads, and attach all the pins to lock the fitting onto the screw eye at the termination point. Once attached, you can tension the wire by turning your bottle screw using a C-spanner. Repeat this installation for all the wire runs. To keep up to date with the latest news from Miami Stainless, follow us on social media or visit us at miamistainless.com.au.